This is Kevin King with Pinehurst Websites, and what we're going to do is we're going to create a navigation menu in this video in under 2 minutes. So what we want to do is we've created a new page called About Us, but we don't have any navigation going to it. So you have default navigation of home, which goes to your home page, and your catalog, which goes to your products. Those are the default navigation. So I'm going to go to the admin, and we're going to go to online store, and there's where you have your pages and your navigation. So let's go to navigation, and this is your main menu, and you can see you have your default home and catalog. Home and catalog. We're just going to add a menu, and this is going to be About Us. And we're going to create a link to the page that we just created, which is the About Us page. So you can connect to collections, products, blog posts, anything on this list you can connect to. So let's go to pages, and we only have one page that we just created, About Us, and we're just going to click Add. So now we can see here we got Home, Catalog, and About Us. We just need to save that menu, and we're all set. So let's go back and refresh our page. So sometimes it will take a second, and we just want to click the preview on our page, and we can see we have our new menu right here. And when we click on that, that's going to take us directly to our new page. So it's that easy to create a navigation page, and it only takes seconds. The next video we're going to do is on how to create drop-down menus. So stay tuned, subscribe, and check us out for all of our tutorials at pinehurstwebsites.com. Again, I'm Kevin King. You can find out more at pinehurstwebsites.com or by subscribing.